Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a load or fail to load xgameruntime.dll error code 126. So it's usually when you want to play the game, try to launch the game, you cannot to open the game because of fail to load xgameruntime.dll. So there is a missing DLL here. You can go to the dllfiles.com. Here you can try to search xgameruntime. You can download manually in here. So the error related xgameruntime DLL can arise for a few different reasons. For instance, a faulty application, xgameruntime DLL has been deleted or misplaced, corrupted by malicious software present on your PC, or damaged Windows registry. Here, the most commonly occurring message. So you can download manually in here and try to unzip the file and install it on your Win32 on your system. You can try search in the internet how you can install the DLL file type. And also there's a more comprehensive how you can fix fail to load xgameruntime error code 126 in Windows 11 or 10. Here you can go to the PowerShell. You can right click on your Windows icon at the bottom of your screen and click on Windows PowerShell admin. Here you can try to type get strip app x package Microsoft Gaming Service, and after that restart the system and launch the game. It should work now. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.